Guten Tag, meine Studenten. Heute ist Montag. Now, probably most of you have no idea what I just said. I said, Guten Morgen, meine Studenten. That means good morning, my students. Heute ist Montag. Heute means today. Any idea what I said there? Today is Monday. Heute ist Montag. All right. So today we're going to do translating, and not translating from German, which I just spoke, but we're going to be translating from math to actual math problems. So some of you have already done this. If you're in my 4th hour and you're watching this, we've already done this. So you can just kind of reread it and just know what to do. And then there's a drag and drop assignment on there. So let's take a look at some of these misconceptions. And I want you to reread this when this video is over. So read it for yourself. But example 1, write an expression to show the following situation. A number x decreased by 5. Now we know decrease by is in blue, and it tells us what operation to do. It says subtraction. The words a number x doesn't mean that you just choose a number. It stands for a variable. And the number 5 indicates the constant term 5. So a number x decreased by minus 5. So the expression is x minus 5. All right, let's take a look at the next one. It says write an expression to represent the following situation. The sum of a number and 11. The keyword sum tells you to add. So we can kind of memorize that. And if you forget what words mean to do what, they're on slide 3. I want you to look over these words, sum, plus, increase by, more than. And I want you to reread those words. And if you're stuck, go back to slide 3 and look to see, does sum mean add? And then double check it. So, and the words a number tells you to pick a variable. Pick a letter except O, E, and I. We don't usually use O because it looks like 0. We don't use I because that's like imaginary numbers and it's later on in college. And E has a set value that you'll learn later on as well. Not in maybe my class, but in later math. So the word 11 indicates the constant term 11. And notice what it says. The sum of a number and 11. So pick a letter for the variable. B for Brannick. The sum means to add, and 11. So B plus 11. Some common misconceptions. A number doesn't mean to randomly choose a number. When it says a number, that means some unknown amount. So it means to pick a letter, then add 6. So a number plus 6, n plus 6. 5 more than. Now notice on more than, there's some stars up there. It does a flipperoo. That means it's like this kangaroo down at the bottom. Notice they're flipping. It's flipping the order. More than flips, less than flips, subtracted from. Otherwise, you just write like what you see. So 5 more than a number means to do n plus 5. Notice we switched the order. 5 more than a number. So we switched the variable and the number 5. 6 less than a number. Less than does that switcheroo. It does a flipperoo. So you would do n minus 6. 6 less than a number. N minus 6. So then that's all you have to do today. You're going to match the expression with the word statement. So all you're going to do is a little drag and drop a number z plus 6. So you would come over here and you would find z plus 6. And you would just move it over and put it right there. And you're going to finish the page. Then you do have an exit slip on slide 7. And it says, which of the following expressions represents the word statement 7 subtracted from a number? Now go back and look. Is subtracted from one of those that flip? And take a look at some of those, take away some of those keywords. Review those before you try this assignment. I hope that makes sense. I hope if you have any questions that you'll reach out to me. You are going to drag and drop a circle to your answer. So you would just drag and drop whichever one you think it is. And you would place your circle around the letter. And there are 3 of them. So I'm just that little thing up on there. I'm just going to drag and drop these little circles and circle the correct answer. I hope you have a blessed day. I'll see you tomorrow.